Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Aisiti Mariam Suryani. I am a student of Majalengka University in English department at 5th semester. Today, I'm gonna present my review result to an article related to sociolinguistic course, and the title of this article is a sociolinguistic analysis of addressing terms used in Tangled Movie Manuscript. But before, do you know movie Tangled movie? Yes, of course, all of you have known what is Tangled movie because it's famous, right? This article be written by Dian Muhammad Rifai and Sevian Tri Prasetya, graduate student of Universitas 11 Maret Surakarta. The aims of this research is to find out the kinds of addressing terms manuscript and the reasons of using addressing terms used in Tangled Movie Manuscript. And the second literature review. The writer also included previous studies related to the topic about addressing terms to support the recent study. The first research was done by Naini 2011, entitled The Sociolinguistic Analysis of Politeness in Addressing Terms Used in Final Destination to Movie Manuscript. The result of this study is the researcher analyzed the addressing term in Final Destination 2. The researcher employed the theories such as the notion of address term, sociolinguistic, speaking theory, politeness, and also to enforce theory is used to analyze the politeness pattern of the use of addressing terms in order to solve the problem statement. And direct, we go on to method. This study used method a descriptive qualitative research which takes a document oriented as the method of collecting data. So the researcher just watch the Tangled movie and understand whole the session, and the researcher finally found the many kinds of addressing terms and the useful of them. And the third, the instrument. The researcher used Tangled Movie Manuscript as the data source, and the data taken are the expression which contain addressing terms and observation. And after the researcher watched the movie Tangled, and the researcher can make conclusion that in Tangled movie that they have watched it. First name, full name, and last name. addressing using intimacy, such as first name. If someone have close, just call by first name, such as friend, close friends, and so on and so on. But if someone just see at the first time, so someone will call by the full name, such as if we visit the hotel, the receptionist will call receptionist or other staff of that hotel, just call us in full name, because we don't we have not ever met or have not ever known before. And the last name, this is for intimate also. And the third, addressing using kinship, such as using other name or nickname. This is for intimate too, because we and them, or with someone be called by us, have close relationship. And then addressing using respect, such as we called older people, or our mother, our father, and so on and so on. We must using respect calling, right? Such as for mother, mama, mommy, and so on. For father, daddy. For uncle, or grandmother, grandma, and so on and so on. And the last, addressing using mockery, because people have getting close for his friends or close friends, so just for joking or kidding, using mockery. Or someone that we don't like and we mock them. And the study finds several reasons of addressing terms used in Tangled Movie Manuscript were showing solidarity, intimacy, mockery, favor, respectful, and anger. This is, for example, the manuscript in Tangled Movie. The first is using name, because someone have close or they are best friend, such as Rapunzel and Flynn. So Rapunzel just call Flynn the ball word. And the third, full name. Rapunzel also call the full name to Flynn Rider, and the third last name Rider, just Rider, and the term kinship name such as Mommy, Young Rapunzel, and Godel, such as as her mother, with polite calling, and addressing term using intimacy, darling, baby, honey, and so on, and addressing using respect, gentleman, and then addressing using mockery, such as old lady. And the result of this research, the researcher found using name is 10 times, and using full name 3 times, using kinship such as mommy, mother, mom 3 times also, and intimacy name such as darling, dear, my flower, sweetheart 6 times, and respect once, and mockery twice. Okay, I think that's all from me. Thanks for the attention, and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.